Switzerland. Famous all over the world for its unique natural beauty, its customs, and old traditions. Here, in the heart of Switzerland, 5 kilometers from Lucerne's charming and historic center, Striebig's skilled engineers manufacture vertical panel saws, which are a byword for quality among woodworking professionals all over the world. Strebig, commitment to perfection. Sawing large-size panels is an everyday task in all woodworking shops. However, a huge amount of space is required for horizontal cutting operations and handling the panels. Strebig is proud to introduce its new global innovation, the Compact TRK vertical panel saw, our smallest model, but with all the usual Strebig benefits: space-saving, compact, flexible, and incredibly versatile. A Striebig Compact can easily be set up within a few hours and basically consists of 2 sub-assemblies. A rigidly welded, torsion-resistant saw frame and an extremely strong saw beam with a compact saw unit. Strebig's new Compact TRK is the ideal machine wherever a small, modern panel saw is required. The saw frame is self-supporting and guarantees maximum stability. Precision guide rails, both for the saw unit as well as for the beam, guarantee absolute parallelism to an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter. The roller supports with their workpiece locking feature are also accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter. Double one-handed locking of the saw beam ensures that angular accuracy is absolute on every compact. Integral tape measures in imperial and metric dimensions are just as standard as an integral high-precision strip cutting gauge for repeat horizontal cuts. A fully balanced and oscillation-free saw unit offers easy plunge and withdrawal, and equally easy conversion from horizontal to vertical cutting. A strong pressure shoe to securely locate the material being cut, as well as infinitely variable saw blade penetration from 9 to 13 millimeters, which optimizes the quality of the cut and guarantees longer saw blade life. The folding central support is located at perfect working height, and thanks to the continuous small workpiece support, permits small workpieces to be cut with ease. The range of cutting operations that can be handled by a Compact TRK can be substantially extended when required with original Striebig accessories. For example, these include the scoring saw unit VSA, a finished cut, the very first time. Smooth and accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter. Also available as an accessory, the digital measuring system DMS with its display in imperial and metric dimensions. A grooving accessory for composite panels. A depth stop with the adjustable grooving tool. And a specially developed and patented angle cutting unit that's exceptionally easy to install and adjust. The 0 point of the angle cutting unit is also the pivot point of the circle segment. As a result, the longitudinal dimension that has been set always remains the same, independent of the angle setting. These pieces of furniture were cut on a Striebig Compact TRK without any final finishing of the edges. Perfect examples of superior work. Precision, performance, convenient operation, and versatility. Space-saving, compact, flexible, and universal in use. These are the benefits offered by Striebig's new Compact TRK high-performance saw. It saws anything, is highly affordable, and can be used as a universal as well as a special machine, thanks to the wide range of accessories. Invest wisely. Striebig's Compact TRK. Strebig. Commitment to perfection.
Our innovative history begins in Lucerne in 1959. Young Swiss businessman Ludwig Strebig is continually irritated by how awkward it is to handle large chipboard panels when cutting them to size. While designing a piece of furniture, he comes up with a brilliant idea of how to solve the problem. Master cabinet maker Ludwig Strebig has a vision. The vision of a cutting machine whose basic principle is similar to that of a drawing board. Yes, that's it, a vertical panel saw. And so our inventor spent the winter of 1960 designing and building the first Strebig machine. Vertical cuts alone were not enough for Ludwig Strebig, so a vertical horizontal pivoting saw unit was the next inevitable step. The result was so convincing for his cabinet-making colleagues that he was soon overwhelmed with orders. Cabinet maker Ludwig Strebig spent more and more of his time inventing and building machines. Strebig was a fanatic where quality was concerned. From the very start, his panel saws were intended for the finishing cut and not for the roughing cut. This proved successful, and the demand for new Strebig panel saws continued to increase. The company also continued to grow. An entire range of vertical panel saws was further developed and continuously improved under the supervision of the inventor, who was naturally fully aware of what cabinet makers wanted. Our evolution and control models are the latest generation of machines. This future-oriented development is the ideal combination of design and function. In 2001, these two models were honored with an award in the Industrial Design category of the Swiss Design Prize. 40 years after it began, this small cabinet-making workshop has turned into a company with a workforce of around 85 employees. It's fully focused on one product, the vertical panel saw. 40 years of know-how, 40 years of quality and precision down to the finest detail. Using the latest manufacturing methods and machines, Strebig's workforce produces vertical panel saws that are a byword for practical and professional woodworkers all over the world. The continuing award of ISO 9001 certification is the result of ongoing integrated quality control tests as well as thorough process management. The ISO 14001 certificate confirms that all products and processes take environmental compatibility fully into account. As a result of their wide range of applications and their high degree of reliability, Strebig panel saws are found today in joinery shops, in furniture factories, do-it-yourself markets, or in concept house construction. Based on the real needs of customers, solutions have also been developed for other materials, such as plastic, aluminum, or composite panels, whereby Strebig panel saws are used in conjunction with tools and electric motors from other manufacturers. 55 agents all over the world provide expert advice and service, both before and after customers decide to buy. Ludwig Strebig's philosophy of quality and precision is the reason why Strebig is a worldwide name. A commitment to perfection. Strebig.